Hello mga kahaks! Today gagawa tayo ng low-carb, guilt-free na chocolate chip loaf bread. Madali lang itong gawin at sobrang sarap pa. Kaya sa mga naglo-low-carb dyan at in keto diet, yan guys, ito na yung madaling recipe para sa inyo. All you need is this sugar-free na peanut butter guys. Yan, roasted peanut ito. This is gluten-free and sugar-free po ito. Nabibili to online sa Shopee guys. And no worries, ipopost ko po yung link ng store na nabilhan ko nito on the video below guys. Yan, all you need is this 3 tablespoons itong keto peanut butter. So, paano nga ba tayo gagawa ng bread without the flour? So, this is the main trick guys. At dagdag tayo ng 3 itlog XL po ito at ihalo natin ito one at a time. Sa magtatanong, posible nga ba makagawa ng bread na walang flour? Ito yun guys. So, here pag nag-add tayo ng itlog, make sure na walang shell na nahalo. Gaya nito guys. Yan. Tanggalin na natin yung shell na yan. And here, let's continue one at a time po yung paghalo natin ng bread. And in this recipe, talaga naman subok na masarap at malambot yung bread natin. So, just having fun making this one, guys. So, enjoy ako to make this one. Swirling this mixture. And next is, kailangan natin ng 1 tablespoon ng white vinegar. So, i-add lang natin ito sa mixture. And also, add tayo ng 3 tablespoon ng baking powder. Yan, guys. Add lang din natin ito sa ating mixture. And 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And also, kailangan natin ng 3 tablespoon ng almond flour. Or you can use the coconut flour for this recipe. Kailangan din natin ng pampatamis. You can use any keto sugar, guys. I'm using the stevia. And also, 2 tablespoon ng salted butter. So here guys, i-mix lang natin and now we're ready to set. So here I have this aluminum pan na oblong guys. So just put on this grease paper guys para make sure hindi siya didikit after natin maluto. Then add some toppings. I have here the almond nuts and zero sugar na chocolate chips to add some flavor. Then cook it for 200 degrees for 25 minutes. So here's our guilt-free low-carb loaf bread guys. Yan, it's really so yummy guys. Yan, I can't really imagine na kahit wala palang flour guys, is posibleng pala makakawa ka ng bread. So, for this recipe talaga sobrang lambot ng ating bread. Perfect na perfect ito pampare sa ating kape or gawin nating sandwich. Kaya mga keto lovers natin dyan, try nyo na. Dahil sa recipe na ito guys, hindi na kailangan palaman. Bread pa lang sobrang yummy na. Kaya guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please follow my page for more videos. Salamat!